So hello everyone, I'm Shavnad back again with another video, and today in this video we'll be talking about inheritance. And in the previous video we have talked about getters and setters, and the main thing I want to explain you the inheritance part while coding, not only just theory. You know the English term what inheritance means. Okay, so let's code it. Under the folder, create a file known as inheritance dot dart. Okay, so inheritance. Okay, in inheritance, uh, create a class. Suppose let's create a class. It's man. Okay, and the man has various properties like legs, hands. Okay, you can give many things. I'm just showing you just by example, legs and hands. And you can define a function just like he can speak. Sorry for my typo. And just give print, and he can speak. Yeah, it's good. And then you can write he can walk. He can walk. And this is the man class. Okay, and now I want to create another class. As I'm a DC fan, so I will create Batman, class name Batman, and then I'll be giving him hands. Let's give him hands, or let's keep it high for better understanding. Let's give him hands, and he can, mm, let's say, he can swim. Suppose he can also fly with his thing, and after that he is strong. I've defined a func method. Now I'll create a main method, and after that I will create an object for that class Batman. So where or Batman, so bm equals to Batman. Yep, semicolon. And now I want to access him, give him hands. I want to give him hands, so that's why bm dot hands equals to 2, obviously, no doubt. Then I want to also access the fly method. Okay, and let's see that whether it is running or not. Cd oops, and then dot inheritance dot dot. See, he is strong, so it's running. You can see here it's running. So sorry. Yep. So now I want to say that I want to use this class also, because Batman can walk, right? So I want to use this function. So how can we use this function without creating an object? Because I don't want to create the object. Okay, I don't want to create an object of man because I don't need here. I don't need it for now. So but I want this. So how can we get it? So that's why inheritance concept is there. Okay, if I write, suppose if I write Batman can walk, right? So if I write walk, it will not, it will give an error, it will not solve me a problem. So we can do like this. the main thing inheritance, and class is a special magic, so that's why it has a keyword extends and the class name. What is the class name? Man. And you can see the error is gone because we are using that, using these properties and these functions within this class. Okay, we are extending it. Okay, we have powers to use it, so that's why if I run this now, let me fire up my terminal. Yeah, and then run it. He is strong, he can walk, like this. Very much clear, I guess. So this is the basic example of inheritance, but you can say that I want to write something more in the walk function. Okay, so yeah, you can write it just like this, void walk. I'm not writing everything because man can only walk and he can also walk, but he can walk faster like other which man cannot. Okay, so I want to print that also, that he can walk faster, and he can walk and then he can walk faster. So I want to write that also. So if I want to write that, I will use this keyword super dot that method which I was using here, so that it can print this one which is the line number 11 and then I will print the thing which I want here. Okay, just like he walks faster. Okay, and let's end it with a semicolon. Sorry, full stop. Yeah, yeah, done. And in this one the output should be like this. First we are flying, that is he is strong, the first line will appear, then he can walk, and then the next line he walks faster. Okay, these three lines will be executed. So let's see, I've zoomed up and fired up the terminal. So let's run this. See, he is strong, he can walk, he walks faster, like this. So this is the basic example of inheritance. You can use the power of other class in your class with the help of extend keyword. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video and gain some knowledge through it. So if you really like this video, go and hit the like button, subscribe our channel and share this with your friends, and I'll be posting this content in the future also, so stay tuned. And in the next video will be classes about interfaces. I guess, to the plan, and that video will be uploaded tomorrow around this PM. Okay, so stay tuned. Bye guys.